Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Noresha Fatiha binti Hasman Supian. My registration number is F1022. Today, I would like to make a presentation to the Engineering Society case study on the flood phenomenon was happened in East Coast Malaysia. But in this slide, I will explain chapter 1 and 4. The rest will be explained by my friend Nuvar Roma binti Hussein. Before that, I would like to thank Mr. Rahman bin Ibrahim for giving me the opportunity to make this presentation. For the chapter 1, Introduction, what is flood? Flooding is frequent natural disaster experienced around the world. Flooding occurs when an area, usually low-lying, flooded with water. As we know, every year, especially during the monsoon season, the east coast of Malaysia, including states like Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang, face severe flooding. This happened due to continuous heavy rainfall that caused rivers to overflow, combined with drainage systems that cannot handle the massive volume of water. Next, I will explain about the flood factors. There are several key factors that contribute to the floods. Firstly, rapid urbanization. The surface does not absorb water. Next, secondly, inadequate drainage system. The drainage system is inadequate or clogged. Thirdly, intense and unpredictable rainfall. Um, it can driven by climate change, poor waste management like deforestation and construction without proper drainage system. Now, let's see the impact of flood is massive economic losses with damage to homes, agriculture and businesses. Second, disruption to daily life like clean water and electricity supply. Thirdly, health and safety concerns, including the outbreak of waterborne disease. Next, environmental effect. In this slide, I will explain current challenge. Despite various effects, we still face big challenges such as lack of integrated urban planning, low public awareness about flood preparedness, maintenance and budget constraints, adapting to climate change. If I were an engineer, I would like to design flood forecasting and warning system using light sensor to give a warning to the communities. Secondly, I would like to make flood diversion channel or tunnel um, by develop mobile application to send early alerts to communities. Lastly, I would like to make flood control dams that are environmental friendly. Next, I will go to chapter 4, Creative and Innovative Strategies for Flash Flood Management. In this chapter, there are two sections, which is the first one, combining technology and community efforts. I will explain this one first. We are connected to community-based early warning system and education and awareness campaign so that communities can get a yearly warning. For the pathway to sustainable flood management, we are going to reduce flood risks, sustainable urban development, enhance community resilience. That's all from me. Thank you.